Hello, my name is Victor, and I would like to present my natural language to SQL agent for Microsoft SQL database. I can type a plain English request and the system will generate safe SQL, validates it in a sandbox, runs it and returns the result. Here it is. I have some predefined different test queries. So let's try the first one. Get a list of all employees working in the logistic department. So I have already created the database with some tables and some data. So now we will run this simple query on the existing database. So we present execute query, and here it is. We see the query is done, and there is the generated SQL request. This query is valid and safe to execute, and this is the query results. Also, we have some simple explanation from the OpenAI API. So the query returned a total of 21 employees working in the logistic department. Among the results, notable roles include 2 drivers, John Smith and Patricia Blow, and yada yada yada. So everything is okay. So let's try to execute another sample, like show all inventory items that have less than 20 units in stock. So okay, execute. Here it is. We got SQL requests, got the query result, and also simple explanation. Also, we may try to check enable RAG agent mode. In this mode, the agent can detect SQL errors, reason about what went wrong, adjust the query, and retry automatically, making more complex requests much more reliable. So let's try to show me the names of employees who last updated an inventory item. So okay, let's try the RAG mode. It may take much more longer time, but it is also quite interesting to see what we will get. This yeah, there is agent is in a trace. So explanation, it takes into account the all tables, yes, and no SQL generated. Yeah, it may happen, so it's also working like this. Also, we may try to use some delete. What will happen? Execute query. Yeah, validation failed. Nothing happened because data deletion is not allowed. So system, even with reasoning and acting, doesn't allow to delete the data in the table. So you may check by yourself this system, how it's working. So I have developed ASP.NET backend. This is simple front end, and also I have used OpenAI API. So everything like working like a charm, and you may check this system by your own. System is available and deployed. Also, there is an existing GitHub account, so you also may check the code quality and use my own. Thank you.